In this lesson, we show how to inject VNC server on the victim and allow the hacker to have remote desktop connections, perform any pop-up window and kind of operation, which cannot be done through the text-based interface. Here we show the MSF command we enter for remote VNC injection attack. We use a 10th critical vulnerability nexus discovered on our old Windows XP unpatched machine. It is MS0867 exploit. We use VNC inject payload in this particular case with bind TCP as a communication channel underneath. You could use other different communication protocol also. We then set the remote host and the local host IP addresses. We disable the courtesy shell. By default, they will pop it up, but here we disable that so that we will not alarm the victim server just in case they are sit in front of their console and all of a sudden see the shell pop up. Here is the image shown on the desktop of Kali Linux. It shows the type VNC client window open up, and with the connection and images showing you the Windows XP victim's desktop.